today on this, what's today, Thursday. We got 2 routes today. We already picked up one. They already loaded us up. They probably loaded us up in about 15 minutes. So we about to drop this off and head to our next route. We only got 2 routes today, but they're really good routes, good paying routes, y'all. So again, today is just another blessing for us, and we will tune back in with y'all when we get to the drop-off location. All right, YouTube, we are at the drop-off location. It's at Bimbo's Bakery. Got 10 pallets. That's where they tell you to pull in it. About to pull in right here. They already got the door open for us and finna get us unloaded. So we need to get unloaded fast, y'all. Be at our other pickup at 11, and it is 9:45, and we probably gonna have like a 45-minute drive, but we're gonna be okay. We're gonna make it. So we finna get this off the truck, and y'all stay tuned. So for this route, we had to go buy a lock because the pickup location, I guess they don't have seals, but the drop-off location wanted it to be sealed or have a padlock. So we went and bought a padlock this morning, so it'll be secured and it won't be rejected.
They wanted us to put a lock.
This is what we have on the truck. Nay is unloading it and just sitting it right there, which I'm kind of glad he's doing it so we can get on out of here and head to the next pickup. So our broker said that we needed a lock, but it looks like we didn't even need one. But anyways, at least we'll have it on the truck if something like this happen again. Y'all, we are at our second pickup today, and we have checked in and we are backed up to the loading dock. They just gotta load us up. Hopefully they don't take long. It's only 2 or 4 pallets, so I don't know if it's gonna be 2 or 4, but it looked like they'll load you up here because they got some pretty tight security. But anyways, y'all, we are in Hazlet, Texas. All right, y'all, so we were supposed to have 2 to 4 pallets, but when we get here they talking about 13, so we're gonna still take it because it ain't gonna make us overweight or nothing, but sometimes this happens. It's not what is expected. Gotta strap them down. And we are headed to Bridgeport, Texas to go do this drop off. This is our, yeah, let me get you a pen. This is our last drop off, y'all. It's our last drop off, and we headed to the crib. Here. This is like a Verizon warehouse. They store Verizon products. So we're picking up for Verizon, and then we're gonna drop off in Bridgeport. About a 40-minute drive from Hazlitt. And then we got probably about a 35-minute drive from our yard from Bridgeport. Y'all know we in Denton, so ain't too bad of a drive to end your day. All right, y'all, we out. All right, YouTube, we are in Bridgeport, Texas, about to do our final drop off for today. Like I told y'all before, we had 2 loads today. Started around 9 this morning, and it is like 2:30 right now. So, not too bad of a day. And we're about 40 minutes from our yard. So we just pushing these up to the front, and he's gonna come get it with the forklift. It's a lot of little small pallets in the front. All right, y'all, we are halfway there. see what our day gonna look like tomorrow. What's up, YouTube. We are done for the day. It's been a little busy day. We had 2 routes, but it was a lot of driving involved. We started at 9 and we are back at the yard at 2:20, y'all. So can't beat that. We done with everything today. We made how much? $750.
5 hours.
5 hours. So y'all, can't beat this box truck game. You just gotta get out here and hustle. That's what it takes. You have to hustle, and you can't, you know, be discouraged if something doesn't happen. You know, go your way. It's all about consistency, y'all. So we are out. Peace and love.
And keep on trucking.